stop. Before we start, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever heard an American say a sentence with the word take and thought, I know this word, but why does it sound different here?
You learned take as a basic verb. Take a book, take a pen, take a seat.
But then you hear real conversations like,
Take care. Take your time. I'll take care of it. Let's take a look. Don't take it personally.
and suddenly your brain freezes.
Because this is not school English.
This is real English.
And today, we're gonna break it down slowly.
No grammar stress.
No confusion.
Just real conversations.
Just one powerful word.
Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
And today, you're going to finally understand how native speakers use the word take in real life,
Not how it looks in a dictionary.
but how it actually works in conversations.
Before we begin, quick reminder.
If you want English that sounds natural,
English you can actually use at work, with friends, and in daily life.
subscribe to the channel
Like this episode.
and share it with someone who says, I know English words, but I don't understand real conversations.
All right, let's start simple.
In school, take means to pick something up.
Take a book, take a pen, take a seat.
That's correct, but that's only 10% of real usage.
In real English, take is about actions, responsibility, emotions, time, and decisions.
It's one of the most powerful verbs in English.
Take plus time.
Let's start with one of the most common phrases.
Take your time.
Native speakers say this every day.
What does it really mean?
It means no rush, relax, I'm not angry.
Example conversation.
A says, sorry, I need a moment. B says, no problem, take your time.
This is comfort English.
Now another one.
It took me a long time.
This is about effort.
It took me a long time to learn English.
Very natural, very real.
Take care.
Now let's talk about one of the most emotional uses.
Take care.
This doesn't mean help someone.
It means stay safe. I care about you.
People say it when they leave.
Bye. Take care.
Now listen to this.
I'll take care of it.
This means responsibility.
This means don't worry. I'll handle this.
Workplace example.
Boss, this problem needs fixing. You, I'll take care of it.
Strong, confident, professional.
Take a look.
Another everyday phrase.
Take a look.
This does not mean stare deeply.
This means check something quickly.
Example.
Can you take a look at this email?
Very common at work.
Also used in shops.
Take a look around.
It means feel free, no pressure.
Take a break. Now something important for daily life.
Take a break.
This means stop working for a short time.
Native speakers use this constantly.
You look tired. Take a break.
Not rude, caring.
Take decisions. Here's something schools don't explain well.
In English, you take decisions.
You don't do them. I need to take a decision is incorrect.
I need to make a decision, or I need to take responsibility.
But you can say,
Take action.
take responsibility.
Take control.
These are powerful phrases.
Take feelings.
Now, listen carefully. This part is very important.
Don't take it personally.
This is emotional English.
It means this is not about you.
Example, he was rude, but don't take it personally.
Another common one.
I can't take it anymore.
This means emotional pressure.
Stress, pain, tiredness.
Very real, very human.
Now, motivational English.
Take the chance.
Take the opportunity.
This means be brave, try.
Example,
I was scared, but I took the chance.
this is real-life storytelling English.
Let's listen to a short real dialogue.
A says, this is a lot of information. B says, yeah, take your time.
Another one.
A says, "Can you finish this today?" B says, "Yes, I'll take care of it."
Another.
A says, "What do you think?" B says, "Let me take a look."
Simple, natural, real.
Here's the problem,
Learners translate.
but native speakers feel the word.
Take is not just an action,
It's a signal
of responsibility,
of time,
of emotion.
of control.
Here's how you can practice.
Step 1, stop memorizing lists.
Step 2, listen to conversations,
Step 3, copy full phrases.
not just the word.
Say, "Take your time," not "take equals Lena."
Think in chunks.
Using take correctly makes you sound natural
It makes your English feel calm,
and confident.
because this is how native speakers think.
Let's end with this.
You don't need thousands of new words,
You need to understand a few powerful ones deeply.
and take is one of them.
If you remember one thing today, remember this.
Real English is not about difficult vocabulary.
It's about how words are used in real life.
Practice with us every day on Speak English Daily.
Subscribe for real conversations
Real English.
and real confidence.
Take care, and we'll see you in the next episode.